Welcome back. We were telling you that Godrej Consumer and such soap makers could be advantaged because of an export tax cut on palm oil by Malaysia. We have with us Mr. Mahindran, the Managing Director of Godrej Consumer, on the phone line. Mr. Mahindran, what might be the impact? We understand that Malaysia has cut the export tax on crude palm oil to zero. I don't know what was the original tax, but does it make a big difference to your raw material cost?
It does not make a big difference to the raw material cost because the model in which Malaysia is operating, there is no tax cut, so to say. The duty, as far as is concerned, it's linked to a particular quota system which they have, and which is connected to a 45 days period. Okay. And in that cycle, if we come to, let's say, the 15th of December, then we will know what the duties would be for Jan. For example, imports in Jan, and that happens to be zero duty. Okay, it's more a rolling over or a flexible type of a duty, that duty structure they have done. But that impact is assuming the maximum duty, if they were to levy, it's a 10%.
Okay.
But depending on the volume and the quota system, it can also average out to 5%.
Okay.
Duty, export duty they can do.
Okay.
But good news is that, for the month of January, the duty will be zero.
Okay, Mr. Mahindran, the point would be that this is being done for exporters and facilitate them to actually empty their inventories. In that, do you see a further structural fall in palm oil derivatives? We've already seen a significant fall, which should reflect in your financials in Q3. People believe. Do you expect that to extend into Q4 and
yes,
further?
From a total landed cost is concerned. Yes, it is sobering down. There's no doubt about it.
How much, in an average, do you think the October-December quarter would have gone down on a quarter-on-quarter basis in terms of PFAD?
See, it's not. It has gone down, sobered down definitely. It won't be much the impact as far as for this quarter specifically, if you're asking.
Okay.
And we will not be able to give the exact number because it will come to some sort of a. We don't provide a lead in this.
What is
all I can say is that yes, the point is what you're raising is in January, the duty is going to be nil duty from an export point of view.
What is the cost of palm oil as a percentage of your total raw material costs? Or total cost itself?
It is not significant. If you say that it won't be more than, say, 15% or 20% or 20% of the total cost of production.
Okay. Fair enough.
Wow.
Mr. Mahindran, thanks a lot for joining us with those details. Okay, so at the moment it's more like a rolling kind of system which has brought the taxes down to clear inventory. Whether it's a structural shift, we will have to see. Okay, we have Shardul Kulkarni.